Hello physiotherapist. I'm here to tell you something that can help your patients treat better and quicker. Today I would like to introduce you to Medlight. Medlight Electronics is an India-based Indian medical product manufacturer and selling company that not only provides their products pan-India but also in many Gulf countries. The TENS Plus ultrasonic therapy device is really amazing and effective, as it helps you to find your patient's pain in their body and cure them easily. It is made out of fiber cabinet and is lightweight, which makes it portable for doctors who do home visits of physiotherapy. TENS Plus ultrasonic therapy device is easy to use, affordable, and comes with 3 years warranty. It has a very smart interface that detects patients' pain points immediately. So all the doctors out there, make your work seamless and easy with Medlight's TENS Plus ultrasonic therapy.